Hello, how are you? I wanted to chat with you right now because so many people get in touch about not knowing where to start when it comes to taking those important steps towards your health and fitness goals. So I thought whilst I'm on a frosty Monday walk, you can see that the snow that fell yesterday is melting. It's just if I'm probably going to slip while I'm chatting with you now. But comment below, let me know what you're up to today. Are you going out for a walk? I'm going to talk about that in a moment, and please as well join in with the conversation and hit that share button. That share button will help you to inspire your friends and help me to get the message out there to get more people motivated and focusing on what they can control. So I'm going to talk with you now about sips, slices, steps and sleep. So oh, hi, hello, I can't say your name. You're going to have to let me know how to say your name, waving to me there. Me and my little Welsh accent, you probably can't even understand me. Okay, so where to start when it comes to changing your lifestyle? Loads of people say, I don't know where to start. I'm desperate to lose weight. I want to feel happier. I want to feel healthier. I just don't know what to do. And it is difficult to know what to do. There are so many conflicted messages out there that just confuse people. So I'm going to let you know now about my little sips, slices, help me, little sips, slices, sleep and steps, which is really important to consider now. So first of all, look at your steps on a daily basis. Now you'll see thrown around 10,000 steps, quite a lot. And if that is really unrealistic for you, then don't even put that number into your mind. Oh, there's a doggy. So don't even put that into your mind. What you've got to look at is what's realistic for you in your lifestyle. So if as part of your lifestyle you struggle to get 3,000 steps during your day, then give yourself a target of 3,500 steps, something like that, just something realistic, so you don't feel really demotivated from something that's a bit too ambitious and doesn't suit you anyway. Because paying attention to your steps just helps you with that movement during your day, and you're going to feel so good. So that's what I'm focusing on right here at the moment. Today I know I'm going to be spending a lot of time on my butt in front of my laptop working, so I wanted to get out now, get some fresh air, get some time to myself, which is so important, and just feel good with that movement. So look at that as a number one thing. Even before you consider doing a workout, you might find doing a workout is quite challenging for you to get up and do at the moment, so just focus on those steps. So that's the step part of it. Then when it comes to your nutrition, before changing anything dramatic, you don't need to change anything dramatic. Look at the little things that are sneaking into your day, the little slice of cake that might be there, the little sips of tea and coffee with a lot of milk and sugar in there. Maybe even you're drinking alcohol, so you're drinking a lot of calories. If you cut down on these, you'll start to see a significant difference in your progress towards your weight loss goals. And that's before you've even changed your nutrition, your meals or anything. So those little things that are sneaking in, the mindless things. If you've got little ones at home, picking leftovers and just popping those in your mouth, pay attention. I say that so much. Pay attention to those little things that you're doing on a daily basis. Oh, thank you, Katrina. Just shared this. Thank you for sharing. And everybody else that's watching this right now, please do share. You've blown me away. All of you have. There's been over 1 million people have looked at the workout with Danny the other day. And it's because of you guys. Thank you. So yeah, let's get back to it now. So that is the little slices and sips for you to consider during your day, the little things. So just pay attention, very easy. And then the other thing then is your sleep. So what is your bedtime routine like? I know a lot of people stay up during the night, they go to bed late, and then they wonder then, why are they struggling to get up in the morning, to be productive, to have any energy? And especially if you are being disturbed during the night for whatever reason. I know a lot of people do get disturbed because of maybe children or something like that. So, look at giving yourself the chance of banking a few extra hours sleep and go to bed that little bit earlier. TV is on demand. You can watch whatever you want, whenever you want when it comes to TV now. So you don't need to, especially on a weekday, if you've got work to do, be staying up and reducing the chances of getting some good sleep. So they are going to be my top tips for you. So if you're one of those people right now thinking, I really need to lose weight, I'm banging my head against a brick wall, I want to feel more energized, I want to feel happier, I want to feel healthier, then think of those 4 little things there, okay? Your Oh, God, I thought it was a dog. It's not, it's a drain. Oops. Number 1, sips and slices. So little things that are sneaking into your day. Your steps, be realistic with that, and your sleep. So important, and really easy for you to think of that quick kind of saying of what you can do during your day, and that's before you've even considered a workout then. But as I say that, don't forget we will be live again at 9 a.m. on Saturday morning. I would love for you to join in with us. I would love for you to join in with this right now and hit that share button. You may not have caught me right at the beginning of this video, and it's really important for you to learn a little bit about the sips, slices, steps and sleep that you can consider to help you on your day to feeling more in control, focused, happier and healthier. If you've ever got any questions, guys, you know where I am. Please do reach out. I've got the free Life Transformer group if you'd like to join in with that. Going to be getting some challenges going in there soon. And as you can see, I'm walking up a hill now and I'm getting a little bit out of breath, so I'm gonna love you and leave you now. I really hope that helped. Happy Monday. It is Monday as I record this, and I'll be back live again on Wednesday evening with a proper Tara Talks nutrition guide, so do join in with that. That's going to be 7 p.m. UK time. Have an amazing day. Bye.